Right, let's go into BTC. So for Optimism BTC, we have a fresh target. Ta-da! Fresh out of the oven for you at 2008. We think we're going to take out these lows and also head towards 2008. So this will be a how many percent decimation? 40% decimation for Optimism. Optimism is not going to look optimistic for a while. I'm anticipating this fall is going to happen within the next few months. November, December, October, November, December, in the fourth quarter, it is going to happen. Anyway, we are already very, very close to breaking the support on the BTC pair. This is a very nice descending. Right? I mean, of course, things can always go wrong. Right? Things can always go wrong. But based on what I see, this is a bearish continuation chart pattern. Bearish, retrace, pump, continue lower, right? A rally, very nice little rally. You can also assume that this is a rising channel that we have broken out from. So we're just reconsolidating before heading lower, right? There are two ways you can look at this. And both ways point towards downsides. So there's more downside that we're expecting for Optimism. It's just not really looking that good. I have a strange feeling that Optimism is highly overvalued. So we are, you know, when it comes to valuing cryptos, right, or even any other asset or whatever asset class or asset that you are looking at, there are always three states: a state of being overvalued, a state of being undervalued, and a state of being fairly valued, right? Right now, I suspect Optimism is finding its fair value price. So at this point of time, I suspect Optimism is actually overvalued. So that's why it is correcting itself. The market always decides into potentially undervalued territory, and then you can pick up some Optimism, right, at undervalued territory, right? And hopefully we'll spend some time at overvalued, and then we'll see some overvaluation. So you can sell your bags, right, when you buy, when things are undervalued. So yeah, that's my take for Optimism. Against USD, here we are. Optimism USD, we have a 63 cents target. Again, more downside. We were already saying that very likely we'll take out these lows and all the clusters of stop sells here and also here towards 63 cents. I don't think to come back. We could, but I don't think so. Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. We are about to collapse. The BTC pair has already breached the support. So if anything, we're expecting a zip down for Optimism. It's not looking good, boys and girls, for Optimism. Again, I feel that we're going to go into potentially undervalued territory. We're already under the skinny pink line. So if anything, we're expecting much more downside. From where we are to 63, it's 50%. 50%! Because we're at $1.30. So more downside, boys and girls, more downside. So be very, very careful about rushing to a trade for Optimism. I still think that there's more downside, right? All this layer 2 hype here and there, but yeah, no, buddy. I think 63 cents is where Optimism is heading to. So fresh out of the oven, right? Right before the break of the support. We give you the targets. I mean, of course, again, things can always go wrong. We can just start zipping back up for sure, out of nowhere, but this is bearish. If anything, more downside. Alright, look at these mountains. Anyway,